everyone, my name is Samita. I'm from beautiful hills of Teri, Uttarakhand. So recently I've been working for brands like Tommy Hilfiger as a CRO and recruiter in Lensoft. So in this whole process I realized somewhere between endless Zoom calls and long working hours, I was not taking time for myself, for the things I like to do, which I feel more creative and the things I like to do. Back in school, I was less in studies and more into sports like relay race, kho-kho, badminton, and I love playing badminton. I even took admission in a badminton academy. I played it up to my bachelor's, and my father gifted me a beautiful racket and a pink shoes, which are like really special to me. And now also when I see people going to academies, I'm like, oh, when will I get time to play? Other than that, I love reading books. Mostly I'm into non-fictional books which help me to grow and build a constructive mind, I can say. Other than that, I love traveling, writing poetries. I will share a few poetries in this channel. I have traveled to Manali, Shimla, Kolkata, Chandigarh, Tumnas and these places so far, and I want to go Banaras or Kolkata back again as soon as possible because I am in love with that place. Coming back to why I chose this channel or niche, so the very first book that I read was Anne Frank, The Diary of a Young Girl. This book has over 30 million copies sold and it has also been translated into 7 languages. One day my sister was having this book and I was like, where did you get this from and who told you about this book? So she gave me and I read this book completely and it just blew my mind. So she was only 13 years old and she went into hiding with her family to save themselves from Hitler in World War II. So whatever she used to feel, her feelings for the boy that she lived with, her emotions, whether she's sad, happy, and everything she used to write in a diary named Kitty. So she got this diary from her aunt in her recent birthday. So yeah, I think she was a very brave girl. She has also given us like famous quotes like dead people receive more flowers than the living ones because regret is greater than gratitude. And can you believe this is written by a 13-year-old girl? But yes, it's true, and this totally changed my perception towards people who read books, because earlier I used to feel like this is boring kind of stuff and all of that thing. In the last, only her father managed to survive among all of those members, which is a very sad thing because I kind of felt attached to her and basically, and I cannot digest this fact that she died in whole thing. So yes, this was the thing where I started interest in books and I started reading more books. Books that I have read are Atomic Habits by Jay Shetty, Ikigai. It's a Japanese book that shares how one can find what they love and generate income out of it. Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty, Build Don't Talk by Raj Shamani, and so many other books too. And I believe books does shape our personality, and even if you don't have friends, one don't feel alone when they read book. And I think our education system doesn't gives us that exposure. So I think books give a sort of exposure and helps to build constructive mind over deconstructive mind. So I think books are really helpful. So if you want to watch such videos, book reviews, poetry and so much more, so subscribe to my channel and I will meet you in the next vlog. Bye bye.